Welcome to our channel. This time we will discuss about the C-5M Super Galaxy is the largest and most strategic military transport aircraft in the U.S. Air Force, serving as a cornerstone of global military logistics. With its massive size and unparalleled cargo capacity, it can carry oversized and heavy loads, including tanks, helicopters, armored vehicles, and even humanitarian aid supplies, across intercontinental distances. Powered by advanced CF6 turbofan engines, the C-5M boasts significant improvements in fuel efficiency, reliability, and performance compared to its predecessors. These upgrades allow it to fly faster, farther, and with greater payload capacity, making it an indispensable asset for both military and humanitarian missions. The C-5M features a unique nose design that can be raised for drive-on/drive-off loading, enabling rapid deployment of equipment and personnel. Its ability to operate in austere and challenging environments, combined with its global reach, ensures that the U.S. Air Force can deliver critical supplies and support anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. Whether it's transporting troops, delivering disaster relief, or supporting large-scale military operations, the C-5M Super Galaxy stands as a symbol of American air power and logistical excellence.
Yeah.